Hey guys, it's Luxer here, and today, wait, I just screwed up my intro. Let me try that again. Hey guys, it's Luke here, but you can call me Luxer if you want to. But anyways, we are here with a vlog, and today we are going to be doing a bike vlog. So, we live on the top of this hill here. As you can see, we live on the top of the hill, and there's a country fair, which if you don't know what that is, and you live in like a different country, it's basically just like a mini convenience store kind of. It's like a mini grocery store. And I go there like every day. Yeah, it's a gas station. So I go there like every day to get like a fountain drink because they're only $1. So I basically go there every day. But I'm going to be vlogging it this time. I have my camera strap on just in case I might drop it. It will stay. Hopefully I don't drop it because I don't know how well I knotted it or tied it. But yeah, let's get started. And we have a steep hill, so we go like really fast. But the good thing is that our mom will gladly always pick us up at the bottom of the hill. It's not really a waste of gas anyways because it's only like a 2-minute drive. So yeah. And as you can see, it just rained, so hopefully I don't like slip and die from the roads, but I probably won't. My brother just has to fill up his tire, I guess, in his bike because it always runs flat. So let's go see what he's doing. I've never done a bike vlog on this channel, of course, but I have done one on my old channel that's now privated. Except for one video that has like over 1,000 views. So just wait for him. And also, here's my bike real quick. It's a very old bike. Well, not very old, but like 1980s. My grandpa gave it to me, and it's pretty cool.
Pretty dang cool.
But the only bad part is that it has pedal brakes, so. But it's cool because you can do skids and stuff. Okay, sorry about the shaky camera. I'm just gonna have to try and hold it with one hand here. I don't know if I'm allowed to have a camera in the country fair, so if they ask why I have, I'm just gonna say like I'm a photographer or something, and I'm not gonna aim at them. But yeah, the good thing is that the fountain drinks are $1, so yeah, I basically get a Dr. Pepper every time, but here you go. Man, I hope I don't die. Like, you'll see how steep this is. Look at that. My brother's already almost at the bottom. That's also because my brother like never brakes, so. Yeah. So you're at the bottom of the hill. So we have this Y intersection here, so we have to make sure that no car.
Don't reveal our street. They're gonna hack us.
Nobody can hack you by.
By the way, guys, we live in Wisconsin.
I just went like
we live
this.
in Wisconsin.
Yeah, we live in Wisconsin. So yeah, let's continue on our bike vlog. Whoa. Okay, I almost died. No car. Yeah. The back of your shirt's all muddy. Yeah. I'm gonna put everything in here. I'm just gonna go. Wait, let's put in this.
Oh no! Okay, I just put in one of those. Oh, no, not popping up. I better slow down, not put this much
I'm
in.
supposed to put like a drop at least.
Okay, put some diet lemon.
You're supposed to put everyone in.
No, I can't.
What do you mean you
Well,
can?
it just doesn't work. I'm dreading the Mountain Dew. I just gotta get some nice. Yes. I don't know what this is going to taste like. It'll probably taste better. I'm getting a lot of Pepsi. It's weird. It's just
I
weird.
put too much on one thing.
It just doesn't even taste right. I thought I would taste Mountain Dew. I don't even taste Mountain Dew. Ugh, that's weird. It's not bad. Oh, the aftertaste is terrible.
Well, this is a song for the Infinite Warfare. Okay.
Yeah, the Spaceland? Yeah.
Hurry up.
I just gotta dump some of it.
My brother had to put all these flavors in. Except from these. You can only put like one of these in each. Or you only put one at a time, so. Besides that, he put everything, so.
And it tasted terrible, so I'm just gonna kind of.
Oh man, now we're gonna be here. My brother has never done a full flavor. He's always done mixed.
Mixed is where it's at.
I always do Dr. Pepper because Dr. Pepper is the homie.
Oh, that's much better. Maybe
12 years later, you'll actually leave
that was
this
a dumb
store.
idea. Hello.
Oh.
Anything else? No. 214.
It says there's no change, but she gave us like 10 cents each or something. I swear that lady's been nice to us and just been giving us like random change and stuff. But
She's nice. She's a good person. Well, we
Put
don't.
them top on. Are you going to the park or not?
You don't want to.
Well, I mean, I don't want to make this vlog too long. Anyways,
Do what?
too long. It's been like, this portion has been 5, and then the other portion is 5, so it's been like 10 minutes. Okay, grab my drink. How am I? Oh, I can't hold the camera with my hand anymore. Not like I could anyways.
We can go to the park or us going onto the bridge and actually crossing it. Just make it actual.
park right now. And there's like this old train bridge. Like there's old train bridge that used to actually like be a thing, like all the way back in like the 1930s. But now people just cross it and almost die every time. But I'm just gonna record us doing it right now, and then end the vlog, because I don't want to record the park just because you can't get copyright. Do you even know what copyright is? Treyarch? Yeah, Sledgehammer Games is the owner of this park. So yeah, if we show it, then we might get copyright. Okay, so as you guys can see, you're crossing this bridge. It's pretty unsafe, but it's still manageable. Look at this. Like, look at it.
Well, people used to tell stories with it, and then they put that stupid thing in, and they also moved. There was another one of these board things.
I don't like this bridge, but I still cross anyways, so. Whoa. Oh man, this is not. Like, there's very thin boards at the walk across. Very thin boards. That's what I said. Not the boards I'm walking on. I said some of them are. What are you doing? Oh man, my drink is so cold. Plus, I mean, it's super cold outside, and then I have tons of ice cubes, and this drink is just cold. So.
See, it is kind of dangerous here. This is very corroded, and I just kind of slip like that. That wouldn't do. Oh! Golly! Golly!
My bike almost died.
Oh, golly! Golly!
Oh my gosh!
Golly!
I don't even know if I got that on camera.
Golly!
You guys can tell me if you guys saw that, but his bike almost just ripperoni.
Golly!
And his drink is almost ripperoni as well.
Yeah, it pretty much is. I gotta go fix it.
Okay.
Ah!
Okay, I can't ripperoni here. I can't turn into a minion because I died in round 30.
Ah, Zika!
How do you almost get Zika? Okay, we have made it across the bridge successfully. I
You
know,
know that every time a fly lands on you, it poops on you?
because that's definitely true.
It is.
Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here because we don't even do anything at this park except do laps around this track here. And all the only reason we do it is because we have to wait for our mom to pick us up. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. If I record all of the bike vlog right now, like I might actually pick up when our mom. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna end the vlog now. I'm gonna pick back up when our mom picks us up, just so you can see how we do it. Cause it seems like YouTube viewers are now very desperate for YouTubers to show them stuff. So anyways, yeah, we'll be right back until our mom picks us up. So yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't have to wait a minute, guys.
Oh.
My brother almost died in the swings over there. But yeah, my mom just picks us up. She puts the bikes back here, and then we jump in, and then we go home. See, here's a dog I have to babysit.
Low 62 tonight. Sunny, still 20% chance of rain after 9 a.m. tomorrow, high 74 then. Now 70 degrees in James Bay.
I'll just record like a dash cam the rest of the way, and I hope my camera doesn't die because I don't know how much more battery there is left. But I'll try to make a dash cam kind of thing. You can't sit in the back, Kyle.
No, not here. Because we're right in town. No.
Kyle, just get in here. What an absolute tank.
Look at that guy on the bike. He's sweet. He got a cool bike. He had the thing in the back. So you could put stuff on it. No, it wasn't a basket. It was just a rack. That's the guy. Wait, that's the guy that was biking. Who just passed us. And he's already there. He's faster than us. Yes!
Okay.
You don't believe me, but I do. It is recording. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you hit Patty. That's not cool.
Yeah, you did.
Come out. And by the way, this is in our house. This way's easy. Okay, well, we're home.